Welcome to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. Today we'll learn how to integrate ChatGPT chat widget with our WordPress website. Very easy and basic and simple steps. And let's start it. Before started, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you like our video, please thumbs up by the end of the video. Let's start it. So we need one plugin. Go to plugins, add new plugin. Name is GPT, chat GPT. Scroll down. This plugin we need AI Power Complete AI Pack. Chat GPT content writer auto this logo and Sanol Sahin is the author. Install and activate that plugin. So you just simply skip it. So you have a lot of options, and if you want to some other option you want to integrate with your website, optimize WooCommerce products, automate content creation, image generation, create blog posts, use is AI assistant, convert audio, add ChatGPT to my website. I'm going with this option, but if you have need other options you can use it. So going with this. So we need API key. Currently I'm going get API key. This is a paid API key, but on initial stage if you are new, so first time created account or first time created API key is some limited quota or free, otherwise you need to pay for APIs. So create API key, copy it and then done. Go back, paste it, validate. So successfully validated. So that means our ChatGPT is integrated. You can choose your template, product services, technical support. Is talking like a human with your customer, with your users. So I'm going, if you want to use shortcode you can use shortcode, otherwise I'm going with widget. Next, bottom left I'm going whole website or specific page. If the specific page you can add the page title. Save it, go to setting. So if I'm going to front end website, you can see our chatbot is integrated here. You can customize this logo. This content name is already added by me. You can customize this stuff also. So go back here, go to widget. So OpenAI turbo instruction only, select template, product technical support, save it, have some advanced parameters, so you can set those parameters from here. And the next is knowledge. So you can set user avatar, user aware, memory, content aware. These are some basic setting available for related to AI. Go to style. Here's the style. If you set a night version, day, so I am going with this. This looks nice. You can also upload your custom avatar. Choose here. So let me try with this. Save it. Use avatar. If you want to in the chat you want to use avatar, you can use, otherwise just name. So interface, you can also upload the custom logo, replace with this. You can upload your own image or upload your own company logo. It's up to you. Just replace widget left right. So I'm going with right. Display after in second, 5 second, 2 second, 2 second. Name is Arslan, and response of AI is typing. If you customer is user, you can type you, or if you want to type something else, also type. So here's welcome message, you can replace it. Placeholder, if you want to edit placeholder, you can also. Powered, if you want to add powered by footer text, you can also add this that text. Save it. So we have some other security feature we have available. So you can save chat logs, save prompts, display notice. If you want to display this notice as also, this is a training of your prompts and your AI system. Save it. So let's start it. I am going to our offering page. Let me try if we have a free quota available, mostly because our free account is totally talking about your website. It's not going to outside, is not explaining outside, is only related to your provide the details and all the offers related to your, if you have a product, WooCommerce is totally provide the price, offers, sales, each and everything related to your website. Is user feeling that, and that is human is in the front of it, and something like this. You can see is typing. So okay, because we have we don't have a paid quota. If you purchase your APIs and pay for APIs detail, so you can proceed with this. Currently we are using a free quota, that's why we don't have showing result. You can use uses, you can see. So $0 per per limit, $5 increase limit. So you can also increase limits. This is all the details of limit. You can purchase from billing option, add payment method, free trial available payment method, and you can proceed with your users. So here's all the steps related to how to integrate our chat GPT chat widget with our website using chat GPT API key. So if you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest and more content. Thank you.